Okay, I am Dian Eka Putra. I want to presentation my paper, and then about my paper, the title, the use of dolomite to overcome grounding resistance in acidic swampland. The paper have three authors. The first myself, Dian Eka Putra. The second, Mr. M. Irfan Jambak. The third, Mr. Zainuddin Nawawi. Okay, next to the slide. About background my paper, the first, the important of grounding system, where the system grounding very important for protectment and equipment for staying electricity. This implying steering current electricity that is not wanted to land for avoid dangers. Second, challenge is acid swim land, where the reset land swim water sour our relatively high line. Make resistant grounding also high so that challenge for make system effective grounding. Third, the potential. This study the limit under considering of solution for increased conductivity land because its economic natures and its ability for increased soil pH or potential hydrogen. Next, where the research purpose, the first, approach new in system grounding. Study this introduce the dolomite as actual mixture in system grounding on land swam water exit. Which was previously not yet not explored. This gives alternative new for increased conductivity land in the area with challenge resistant tall. Two, lowering resistance. Using the limit increase soil conductivity and the activities of the grounding. This is a research how to the reducing resistance with using dolomite. Three, testing the activities of dolomite. Evaluating how effective dolomite in the reducing ground resistance in swamp area. Next, where a methodology my research, the first plate experiment. It is the carried out in the field using the driven rod method and various type electrodes. Second, electrodes type, where we use electrode types, the first iron electroda, galvanized electroda, and copper electroda, where we use the converter effectiveness. Three, the limit edition, where my research in the land, it is done to reduce resistance with measurement for Sigmund, where to add this in dolomite start from 55% dolomite, 40% dolomite, 75% dolomite, and we used to 100% dolomite. About a result, my research where dolomite can be reducing resistance. We look at my graphics where beginning Higg grounding resistance is tramline, Higg groundings resistant, and then to dolomite addition. Dolomite is mixed with marsh soil to increase conductivity, with a result average grounding resistance reduction by to 5%. This is next. And then with a electroda performance, where the galvanized electroda saw the best performance in reducing resistance. About corrosion resistance, galvanized electroda is resistant to corrosion and rusting in acidic environment. Then iron and all. Okay, next result so resistivity. Same with resistant grounding. The first initial condition, the resistivity of acidic soil is high. With dolomite addition, dolomite is a mixed increasing soil conductivity, where the result in the to 5%, dolomite can be the decrease in the soil resistivity reset 9% to 5%. This is image can be look how to dolomite can be reducing resistivity in the mixed to 5%. Conclusion from the paper, the first dolomite effectiveness when the proper effective reducing grounding radius is additive swampland. 2. Superior galvanized electroda provides the best performance in reducing resistance. Third, decreasing acidity, where addition dolomite also lower resistivity taper length exit water swam, with this length reaching 9% to 5%. This show the dolomite is crunching conductivity is line. Next, cave feeding. Dolomite effectivities, where the study show, our research show today that addition dolomite in a way significant lower resistant grounding on land swamp water source. Average line resistant reset to 5%, which show the dolomite can increasing conductivity line. The first galvanized electrode performance, where electrode galvanized provide more effective compared to electrode from material iron and copper. In low resistant grounding, this is so that electrode material selection very influential to result system grounding. Third, check solution suitable and recommendation for practice. Use dolomite as material mixture is system grounding on land swam waterly source is friendly solution environment and economical, but with use the dolomite very good for the social human in the land swim exit. Finding this recommend use the limit is practice system grounding in this area with condition and similar and open opportunity for study more carry on about material another. Method of evidence where we have a quantity data where to 5% reduction in grounding resistance. To material comparison, galvanized electrode give the best result from the iron and copper. Soil quality analysis increase pH potential hydrogen and decrease soil acidity. Where consistent result during period measurement 6 months saw effective addition dolomite. No nature, meanwhile, give a strong evidence that dolomite can reliable a solution from long for problem resistance grounding in the swim exit line. Benefit a study or benefit a research. The first contribution science for researcher and public. With study for overcome resistant high grounding made for mixture dolomite will become contribution new science in the value the system grounding as material a mixture that is capable of lower resistant grounding on the land swam waterly source. Will for public width can help for present resistant low grounding. We use dolomite for this land resistant grounding, very useful for communities living around the exit swim area where dolomite is about 10 of the time with hinger price economical. And the website the beginning for society which use dolomite for this land resistant grounding very useful for community living around actually swamp area where dolomite is obtained with hinger price economical. The study more carry on, use dolomite on the land we can give a description for further research carry on the other land. Many example make the another material can be example bentonite or silica or organic material. My research have a documentation where research process decrease resistant grounding all inland acid swim use dolomite. Documentation is very, very important about the include the original research. Okay, this my team we set enough. So the end. Thank you very much. This is my research. I hope my research can be contribution social community for the research, for the practice, for the engineer, and for the all. The end. I am Dian Eka Putra. I hope and I will say thank you very much for all. Okay, thank you. This is my research. I from Dian Eka Putra, from the Science Engineering of University Sriwijaya. Thank you very much.